In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view block senders in Outlook. We're focusing on two places where people commonly check this list: Outlook on the web or the new Outlook experience, and the classic Outlook desktop app on Windows. Knowing where this list lives is helpful if you suspect messages from someone are being filtered out or if you simply want to review who's currently blocked. If you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook, look toward the top right corner of your mailbox for the Settings gear icon. That gear opens a panel with quick options, but for what we need, scroll to the bottom of that panel and select View All Outlook Settings. This takes you into the full settings area, which is much easier for finding specific mail controls. In the left side navigation, choose Mail, then select Junk Email. This section groups together everything related to junk filtering. Under the heading Block Senders and Domains, you'll see the list that Outlook uses to send mail straight to junk from specific addresses or entire domains. This is the central place to review what's currently blocked, so you can confirm whether an address is on the list. If your goal today is just to view the list, you can simply read through it here and back out of settings when finished. The key is remembering the path: Settings gear, View All Outlook Settings, Mail, then Junk Email. Now, if you're on the classic Outlook desktop app for Windows, start on the Home tab, which is the main ribbon you see when you're looking at your inbox. Within that ribbon, find the Delete group. In that group, you'll see a button labeled Junk. Click Junk, and in the menu that opens, choose Junk Email Options. That opens a dialog with multiple tabs dedicated to junk settings. Select the Block Senders tab. This tab is where your block list appears in the desktop app. You can scan through the entries to confirm whether a particular address or domain is currently blocked. If you don't immediately see the Junk button, make sure you're in Mail rather than Calendar or another view, since the ribbon changes depending on where you are. That's all there is to finding your block list in Outlook. Thanks for watching.